Let us consider one more. That way, it is a very simple MCQ, but very important. During nitration, which of the following is an important reactive electrophile among the following in aromatic nitration? Aromatic nitration, nitration of benzene, nitration of toluene, nitration of aniline. It can be any aromatic ring. Which is the species? Which among the four is actual electrophile which attacks? During nitration or nitration is carried out by using what we call as nitrating mixture. Means it is a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. Now, why this mixture? Okay. If it were dilute, then nitric acid will give H plus and NO3 minus ions. If concentrated H2SO4 is moderately concentrated, then it would give H plus and HSO4 minus. If H2SO4, if it were dilute, then it would give H plus SO4 minus 2 and H plus ions. Both are highly concentrated, and because of that, what happens is this. Let me write the reaction. Nitric acid, the bonding actually, and the lone pair of electron here in nitric acid takes part directly in the reaction. The dots are two lone pairs of oxygen, one unpaired of oxygen across, because electron of lone pair, another unpaired of oxygen, and one electron from lone pair of nitrogen gets transmitted here. So, since one get completely transmitted to oxygen, this becomes negative and this becomes positive. As a whole, overall, they neutralize each other. So, overall molecule is neutral. So, although it is a, we can say, dot structure representation, we normally use this short form. This, when reacted with concentrated H2SO4, even sulfuric acid, the structure, since in the outermost shell of sulfur, like oxygen, two lone pairs and two unpaired electrons. In concentrated sulfuric acid, the heterolytic breaking of only one OH bond takes place. And this one OH bond, in short, I have written in this manner, and the lone pair of electrons on oxygen. Because of that, hydrogen atom in the form of H plus ions develops a positive charge plus HSO4 minus, and now lone pair forms a shared pair with this H plus, and therefore heterolytic breaking of this will take place, giving rise to what remains behind heterolytic breaking. Oxygen is more electronegative, the shared pair goes to oxygen, and therefore what remains behind is NO2 plus ion. This is electrophile. So, during electrophilic substitution reaction, NO2 plus enters and it is replaced by hydrogen in the form of H plus exchange, and this NO2 plus is developed because of reaction between concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, and therefore the electrophile which attacks during aromatic ring nitration substitution reaction, SE reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction, it is this NO2 plus, means it is called as nitronium ion, and this is how it is produced.